In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the history of Yardbirds Home Center. Yardbirds Home Center was founded by John Morrison Headley in Santa Rosa, California in 1975. Their mascot was a buzzard that had yellow overalls, hence the name Yardbirds. They had stores throughout the Bay Area in California. Yardbirds was eventually bought by the Home Depot in 2005. Eventually, all the Yardbirds locations would either be closed or purchased by Home Depot. Yardbirds was one of the original home centers of the Northwest before larger home improvement chains such as Lowe's and Home Depot started to take over. Yardbirds would serve the California Bay Area, for many decades, until the bigger chains started to open up stores near Yardbirds locations. Not too long after the original Yardbirds locations closed, Home Depot revived the name for a very short period of time in 2007, but quickly after renamed the stores Home Depot in the area. Thanks for watching this video on History of Yardbirds.